Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. I'm currently putting up my hair, and as you can see from the title, we are getting ready together again today. I feel like you guys really like these videos, so I'm doing another one for you. And I really like it because I'm getting ready to go run errands anyway, so I get to get ready and talk to you guys and film a video, get some work done, and get ready. It's amazing. Let's get started. Today I'm going to start with my e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist. I'm just going to do kind of an everyday look, but I think I'm going to add maybe a wing or something today, make it a little bit different, you know? But yeah, I just kind of let this sit for a minute. I just love it because it's so refreshing. Feels so good on the skin. For kind of foundation or BB cream, I'm going to use the Covergirl Clean Matte BB Cream. This is like my everyday stuff. I think I'm going to just use the shade light medium, yeah. And usually I would use my fingers, but I'm kind of in the mood to not get my hands all covered in makeup, so I'm just going to paint it on with this brush. So this week has been crazy already. Like, it is Wednesday, and I'm like, can I please have a glass of wine and like chill time on the couch? I just feel so crazy busy. Caleb and I haven't really spent a whole lot of time together because we've just both been busy. He's been staying late at work. I've been working at night, like all that kind of stuff, because last week was a little insane because it was my birthday. It was our anniversary. And it was just like a lot of fun stuff. And so I didn't get as much work done, I guess. So this week I'm kind of paying for it, and the week before that was Memorial Day. It's just like a really busy season, you know, which is fine. I love all that stuff, but I also have a lot of goals that I'm trying to reach. So got a lot of stuff going on. I also do part-time work for a company back in Michigan, and it always, like, I always do this calendar of events for them that's always on the first week of the month, you know. And so, like, that was going on, and we also have friends coming this weekend. So it's been a busy, busy week already, and it's only Wednesday. So I'm like, And Kayla and I are trying to be really good about, you know, getting back in shape and eating healthier and stuff. So we haven't been, like, having any alcohol during the week, which is really good, obviously. But there's just days where I'm like, I just would love to unwind with a glass of wine. But I haven't. I've been good. I've also been on my fitness routine. This is the L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer. Love this so much. Been getting back into my workout routine, which has felt so good. I've done 3 weightlifting workouts this week. I was sick there for like a week or so. Not last week, but the week before. I was pretty sick. Kind of around Memorial Day, actually, and that sucked. And I just kind of got off of my routine. And I'm starting the Crush workouts, Crush Fitness. Those are the workout plans that I like to follow. They are weightlifting plans. And right now I'm starting the Booty Boot Camp one. So it's mostly leg focused. But there's a lot of like, I really like them because there's days where it's like, oh yeah, this is bodybuilding. And this is like, okay, you're strictly doing deadlifts and all that kind of stuff. But then there's also days where it's like performance and you're doing like almost like circuit training, because there's supersets and you're doing more performance stuff. And there's core workouts, and then there's also a few, obviously, upper body days too. So it's a good mix of everything. So that's what I've been doing this week, and I'm on day 3 of that. So that's felt so good. I mean, I'm so sore, like so sore from it, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, getting back into all that kind of stuff. But on busy weeks like this, I'm just like, oh, so tired. But that's okay. Gotta clean this office. Oh my gosh, it's so dirty. This is the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Powder. This is my favorite for the eye area for when it's like, I don't like something super drying around my eyes, but I like to set the areas. And then for the rest of the face, I'm going to use this Photo Focus Translucent Powder from Wet n Wild. My new obsession, you guys. If you live in a hot climate and you have oily skin, you need to use this powder. A little goes a very long way, so I dip my sponge and then pounce it on my hand so that I get off excess product, and I only put it in the places that I'm really oily, which is my T-zone. I wear this in such hot weather, 90-degree weather, very high humidity. I'm sweating up a storm, and I have had my makeup just like last all day, and I could not say that last year. Like last year I was having a really hard time finding products that would stay on my skin in the hot heat, you know, with combination skin, and this stuff works, you guys. But trust me, it is drying, so use only however much you need to, and then I just take the rest and put it out, like a little bit of leftover all over. This thing's gonna last me forever. So yeah, I've fallen back in love with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I got this for my birthday for my mom. I have loved this bronzer for years now, but I refused to buy a new one when my other one broke because I have so much other makeup that I love, but and like need to use up, you know, or want to use up. But I just, ooh, it's so good, you guys. It's like the perfect in between of like a bronze and a contour. Looks so good when I'm tan and when I'm fair, and I just can't get enough of this. I always like how my makeup turns out when I use this, so I'm so glad I asked for it, and you know, my mom bought it for me because I wasn't going to buy it for myself. But I've been loving this, and I've been trying out new makeup, and well, not really makeup, but new products for you guys, like a new self tanner that I have on right now. It is one of those tanning waters because those are like all the rage right now. I love the idea of them because they don't transfer. You can put them on during the day, no color guard, all that kind of stuff. So far so good. I'm going to be trying that out for a little while and make a video, I think. I just have been using this little brush from e.l.f. as their crease brush to contour my nose, and I've been loving it because I hardly ever contour my nose other than just like put a little product with a big brush, but I've been loving it. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and do the same thing on my eyes. So yeah, so we have friends coming over this weekend. Tonight I need to clean because my office is a disaster, you guys. Like, I wish you could see everywhere. I got this huge package of Old Navy clothes and liked about 2 things. I was trying to find jean shorts and jeans, and I usually like their stuff, but not right now. So I think I'm going to try Target because I've seen a lot of cute Wild Fable things, and I really like those mom jeans from Wild Fable. I think I'm going to need to get a size 4, though. I have a size 6, and they're just a little too big. I thought that I would like them that size because they fit well, but I'm just like, now once I wear them for a little while, I need to size down. So need to get those, and they're only $22. So I'm going to try those, and hopefully I will find stuff because I want to make a video about like my favorite denim because I do have some really good things to share with you guys, but I want to find like the best jean shorts, like some black ones, some white ones, some denim ones. And I'm going to try American Eagle too because I really like their jeans. But yeah, and then I have a swimsuit haul. So, okay, anyway, all those clothes are all over the floor. I did find some really cute shirts that I like from them, but that's kind of usual for me. And then I have swimsuits everywhere from my swimsuit haul, my workout clothes from my workout haul. Like, there's stuff everywhere. So if you haven't seen my swimsuit haul, make sure you go to check that out. They're all really affordable. They're mostly from AERIE, and they're so stinking cute. I'm like in love with them. But I'm not going to be able to wear them for a while because it's like the forecast in Mississippi is just rain, 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 rain. I don't know what is up with Mother Nature, but she just wants to rain like crazy because we've been in a drought pretty much. Like, we haven't gotten hardly any rain until now, and then she's like, 10 days straight of rain. No, thank you, Mother Nature. And I'm going to use Milani Luminoso, one of my favorite blushes. This is just my go-to blush in the summertime because it's just so beautiful. Also, on a makeup front, I am going to be doing a video about the new line at Target called Makeup Obsession. This stuff looks so good, you guys. It's all really affordable, and I believe it's like Target exclusive, and I'm so excited about it. So I just ordered that. It should be here on Monday. Today is Wednesday. I keep forgetting what day it is. It said 2-day shipping. That's not 2-day shipping. Like, what? It should get here on like Saturday. So it's like 3:15. It was about 3 o'clock when I did that. Okay, I know I just keep rambling, but I feel like I have so many good things to share with you guys. This cup, I have so many of these. This is a 30-ounce one. I have a water bottle. I have a 20-ounce one. I have wine cups. These are amazing. These are the Sick brand. I believe you can find them on Amazon. The store that I work for remotely, they sell these in their shop, and I can get them at a wholesale price, so hello, cheap stuff. And they're the best. They're like a Yeti. They keep things cold for hours and hours and hours. In the heat, I can leave this when I'm running errands or something. I can leave this in the car when it's 90 degrees outside and come out and my stuff is still cold. It is the best. So right now I have sun tea in here. If you don't know what that is, it's when it's like really hot outside and you put like a big jug, you could do a small one too, of water and a tea bag in it, or like a ton of tea bags. So I'll do like a huge jar of it and put like 10 tea bags in there, and then you put it in the sun, and then it brews the tea for you. It's like the best thing ever, and since it's so hot here, it can brew in like a half hour, and you don't have to do anything. You don't have to heat up your home. Like, it's the best thing ever. And then I just store it in the fridge, and I have iced tea for like the whole week. It's the best. My mom loves doing it, and so when she came to visit, she was like, ooh, we should make some sun tea because it's so warm here, where back in Michigan, you know, right now it's not that warm. It was warm one day and she did it, but it took her like hours to brew it versus here where it's so hot. So hot here that I can't have hot coffee. I haven't had hot coffee in weeks at this point. And I use my Ninja, I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Duo. I use my Ninja coffee maker. It's like a single serve coffee maker, and it is the best thing ever. My parents have the one that has the carafe where like you can make, you know, lattes and everything. So can mine, but mine's a single serve. So like you can make a thermos size, you can make a normal cup. I can make my own lattes or iced coffee. It like has an iced coffee brew setting where it brews it when you have ice in your cup, and it doesn't melt the ice as much. Like, it brews it probably colder than a normal cup of coffee, and it tastes so good. So I have that every single morning, like a large travel size, and I fill a cup up with ice, and I use the 20-ounce one of these, and it's perfect. So and sometimes I use this one too, but okay, we're gonna use some eyeliner today, which I hardly ever use eyeliner nowadays, other than if I'm doing like a more dramatic look, but I'm just kind of feeling something different today, so we're gonna use some eyeliner. So I'm just going to line, this is the Essence Super Last eyeliner, and I love it. It's like a liquid liner that is so easy to apply. Just the baby wing. I haven't done one in so long. Oh my gosh. Now I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer. This is another one of my favorite lash primers. It's really beautiful. So while my lash primer kind of sets, I'm going to use my lip liner, which is from Covergirl. This is their Caramel Nude lip liner. It's my favorite ever. So this is my favorite lip combo lately. This color is from Revlon. This is their 001 Nude Addiction, I think. Nude Attitude, sorry. Lip color, and it looks super nude because it is. But it looks so beautiful with this lip liner and then with the gloss I'm about to share with you guys. It's the perfect, like really pale nude. It's gorgeous. And this is like a peachy undertone. Looks really pretty, like just like this too, but I really like the lip gloss on top. This is from Milani. This is their Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in the shade Soft Rose. So I like to take off a lot of this. I have this one in Champagne as well, which is another gorgeous color, but this one, it just like, I don't know, it really complements it. So and I only put it on my bottom lip because you don't really need a lot. Otherwise, it's going to get, like, goopy. So that's my favorite lip combo right now. I just think it is so freaking pretty. And then for mascara, I'm going to use L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I've fallen in love with this again. I've used it for so freaking long, and it's just gorgeous. Like years now, I think. Alright, so this is it for the makeup. I'm going to really quick get dressed and do something with this mop, and then I will show you like the completed look. These are the jeans I was talking about from Wild Fable from Target. I just need a 4 because they're pretty big in the waist, but that's okay. This is a boyfriend tee from American Eagle. I just twist it and then tuck it in to the waistband. It is hot outside, so I just have my hair up in this low pony. I kind of like made it nice and smooth with the Revlon 3-in-1 styler, I think is what it's called. And then I have on these white shoes from Cole Haan. They are pretty pricey normally, but I got them at the outlet, and they were just as affordable as like a pair of Converse, but gonna be way more comfortable. I love them because they're like a leathery material, and they're not gonna get dirty as easily. They're just so stinking cute. And I just wanted a pair of white shoes that I can wear with, you know, anything, running errands. These would look super cute with dresses too, and they were so affordable. They were like $35 or $40 at the outlet, and they have them online, so I will link them for you guys if you are interested. They are pretty cheap, or they were for a while. They had a sale online where they had like 40 or 50% off. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week. I upload try-on hauls, beauty tutorials, and lifestyle videos. So I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.